Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed up to 12 questions of exercise 5.1. So today I am taking that 14th one because 13th one is just a multiplication problem, that's try to yourself. So what is that 14th one? Multiply the largest 4-digit number by the largest 2-digit number. This is also multiplication. First write down the largest 4-digit number. So answer. So largest 4-digit number means this is largest 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number and 4-digit number. This is largest 4-digit number and by the largest 2-digit number. So what is that? 99. So now multiply 9 into 99. So multiply 9 nines are 81. So 8 carry. So 9 nines are 81. 81 plus 8 89. So 8 carry. 9 nines are 81 plus 8 89. Again 8 carry. 9 nines are 81 plus 8 89. So 0. So here 0. So now again multiply 9 nines are 81. You will get the same number because again you are multiplying 9 into this number. 1 9 9. How many nines? 3 and 8. So you will get the same answer. So add 1 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 9 19. Again 1 carry. 10 plus 9 19. 1 carry. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 9 18. 1 carry. 8 plus 1. So what is the answer? 99,89,901. So what is the answer? Into 99 equals to, you will get 9,89,901. So I have taken 17th one, 15th and 16th questions are very easy, just a multiplication problems. Solve it yourself. So what is the 17th one? There are 5,606 bags of rice in a storehouse. If each bag weighs 62 kg, what is the total weight of bag? So here what they given? Weight of each bag they given 62 kg. Total bags are 5,606. So just multiply, you will get the total weight of total bags. What is that? 5,600 bags. So how to find out that one? So answer first. Total bags in a storehouse. Total bags in a storehouse equals to 5,606 bags. Okay, and they given each bag weights. That means weight of one bag. Weight of one bag equals to 62 kg. Weight of one bag equals to 62 kg. Weight of two bag means just multiply 62 into 2. But here total bags are 5,606 more. So weight of 5,606 bags equals to 62 into 5,606. So multiply it. So what will get answer? 5,606 into 62. 62 no, right? 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 0 0 1. 2 6 are 12. 1 carry. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 0. Next 6 6 are 36. So here 36. This one 6 into 0 0 0 plus 3 3. 6 6 are 36. So 3 carry. 6 has 3. 6 is 30. 30 plus 3 33. Add it now. 2 plus 0 2. 1 plus 6 7. 2 plus 3 5. 1 plus 6 7. 1 plus 3 4 and 3 asterisks. So what is the answer? 3,47,572 kg. Therefore you will get weight of 5,606 bags equals to 3,47,572 kg. You have to write it kg. Okay, that is the total weight now. Next I have taken 19th one because 18th one is also same. They have given the total tanks and each tank capacity they given. So find out the total tank capacity. Okay, for 18th one. So this is 19th one. I will give the answer for 18th one. Don't worry. So 19th 19th one, Anand bought 536 electric ovens at 3,920 rupees each for his shop. For one electric oven, this much of cost. For 536 electric ovens cost, multiply, just you will get the answer. So how to find out that one? Cost of one electric oven equals to 3,920 rupees. Okay, this is the cost of one oven. So cost of total how many electric ovens are there? 536 electric ovens equals to, just multiply 3,920 into 536. So multiply, what will be the answer? 3920 into 536. Okay, 6 into 0 0, 6 is 12. So 1 carry 6 9 is 54 plus 1 55. 5 carry 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 5 13. Okay, this is 13. So next take it 0. Next 3 into 0 0. 3 2 is 6. 3 9 is how much? 27. So 7 here 2 carry. So this is 2. So next 3 3 is 9. 9 plus 2 11. So next again you have already taken 1 0. So take another 0. 2 zeros. Next 5 to 0 0. 5 2 is 10. Next 1 carry. 5 9 is 45 plus 1 46. 4 carry. 5 3 is 15. 15 plus 4 19. So now add it 0 0. This is 2. 5 plus 6 11. 1 carry. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 1 11. So again 1 carry. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. 3 plus 6 9. So 1 carry. So here 1 carry. 9 plus 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry. 1 plus 1 2. So what is the answer? 21,91,120 rupees. That is the total cost of 536 electric ovens. Therefore, total cost of 536 electric ovens equals to, what is the answer? 21,91,120 rupees. Next 20th one, a shop has 2,568 chocolates which cost 25 rupees each. So that is, for each chocolate cost is 25 rupees, and 598 biscuit packets which cost 18 rupees. That means cost of one biscuit packet is 18 rupees. So find the total cost of all the chocolates and biscuit packets. So first one by one find out. First find out the total cost of chocolate after that biscuit packet. So how to solve that one? So again same. Cost of one chocolate equals to what is it? 25 rupees. 25 rupees. Okay. So next find out the cost of total chocolates are cost of 2,568 chocolates equals to, just multiplication, 25 into 2,568. So multiply, what will be the answer? 5 8 are 40, 4 carry, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 4 34, 3 carry, 5 5 are 25 plus 3 28, 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 2 12. Okay, next take 0. 2 8 are 16. So 1 carry. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. 1 carry. 2 5 are 10. 10 plus 1 11. 2 2 are 4. 4 plus 1 5. Add it 0. 4 plus 6 10. So take carry here. Okay, that will be easy for you. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 2 12. 1 carry. 2 plus 1 plus 1 4. 1 plus 5 6. So 64,200 rupees. This is the total cost of chocolate. Next, here cost of one biscuit packet. Cost of one biscuit packet equals to 18 rupees, no? 18 rupees. So find out the cost of total packets are biscuit packets 4598. Biscuit packets equals to, just multiply 18 into 4598. So we will get multiply 4598 into 18. 8 8s are 64, 6 carry, 8 9s are 72 plus 6 78, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 7 47, 8 4s are 32 plus 4 36, 0 1 into 8 8, 1 9s are 9, 1 5s are 5, 1 4s are 4, 4 and 8 plus 8 16, take carry here, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 7 17, next 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 6 12, 1 carry, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 3 8. So this is the total cost of biscuit packet. So therefore total cost of 4598 biscuit packets equals to what will be the answer? 82,764 rupees. This is the total cost of biscuit packets. What about this one? Therefore, total cost of 2,568 chocolates equals to what will be the answer? 64,200 rupees. This is the way of solving this problem. Next I have taken 22nd question. So 21st question is there, no? It's just a fill in the blanks like that. Okay. So just multiply the numbers. You will get the answers, no? Write down that numbers. Here 5 blanks are there. So write down that answers. So what you get the multiplication, no? Write down that numbers. Remaining numbers they given. Here they are misplaced, no? So in this place we have to fill the correct numbers. Here also second one. That's why this is a homework problem. So next 22nd one. So what is that? First observe it properly, observe the pattern and write the next two terms. So first 7 into 7 49. So next what I have taken? They have taken 6 7. 6 7. Multiplication of 6 7 6 7 equals to, here 4 9 is there. Here double 4 8 9 is there. Okay. So first observe the pattern. Next here they have taken extra 6. Here also extra 6, and here first only 1 4, 2 4s are there, here 3 4s. Okay, and here first write down that one. Here 3 4s means next one is total how many 4s? 4 4s. So what is here number? Here 6 2 times, here 1 times, here 0. That means 0 1 2. That means 3 times of 6 into again same number. Okay, you will get the answer 3 4s, here 4 4s, here 1 8 2 8, that means here 3 8 and 9 as this. Next again, here total how many 6 3, no? Next take 4 6 into again same number 4 6 and 7 as this. Okay, so here 4 4s, no? Next 5 4s, next 4 4 4 4 4. So 5 4s. Next here how many 8s? 3. Write down 4. Next 8 8 8 8 9. So these are the next two terms. So what about this one? Observe properly. 9 and 8. 9 8s are 72 there. Here 2 9s. Here only 1 9. Here 2 8s. Here only 1 8. So here 8 and 1 is extra. 8 7 1 2. So observe this pattern. Here 2 9s, 3 9s, here 3 8s. So what will be the answer next? Total how many 9s? 4 9s into 4 8s. Okay. So here 8 is 1 times, here 2 times means take it 3 times. Okay. 7 as it is. Because here also 7 as it is, here also as it is, here also as it is. 7 as it is. Here 1 2 times here 1 times. That means here 1 will be 3 times. This is the answer. 2 as is, 7 as is. Next number here total 4 nines are. Next one is total 5 nines. Here also total 5 eights. So next here 3 eights means next one is 4 eights. 8, 7 as is. 3 ones means next one is 4 ones. 2 as is. Okay, these are the next two terms of these two problems. This is the finish of exercise 5.1. Next I will explain the division chapter.